Greetings, 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 everyone. Once again, welcome back to my channel. This is your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, your sister, your cousin, your auntie, your niece, your daughter, your granddaughter, your friend, and all that is good. Akwaaba, meaning welcome you all. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am showing you all today the washing process, how to wash clothes here in Ghana when you don't have a wash machine, you know. So today is wash day. I gotta open up the gate so the camera's gonna be moving kind of funny. So today is wash day for my clothes here in Ghana. So I want to show you all how they do the washing process. So my dirty clothes are here. So they start off washing a barrel or a bucket of soapy water, washing the clothes here, and then they put it in this bucket here to rinse, and then in this bucket right here is the final rinse. So this is the washing process. 1, 2, 3. Then you hang them on the line right here. I hope all is well with everyone. Yep, I'm having me a cup of tea this morning. This tea here, it is called neem tea, bitter leaf, and xylopia. So this is what I do to help keep myself well, you know, free from malaria and things like that, the diseases that are here in Ghana. Yeah, and I did the same in the States, the same combination, you know, to keep me well from the diseases there in America. Yeah, absolutely. So every now and again I have me a cup of this whole nasty, bitter tasting tea that's down up here in this cup. Yeah, but anyway, you all, welcome to my channel. Yeah, this is your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, and all of the above. I'm every woman, and every woman is me, straight up. I am my mother. I am my grandmother. I am my great-grandmother, and so forth and so on. Yep. So I'm here in Ghana, West Africa, on my healing, repatriating journey back home to the motherland, and I'm video recording my journey here. Yes, and so this is part of the process, you guys. Absolutely. Now, my mother told me that they used to do this back in the day. They used to, you know, wash clothes by hand. They used to use the lye soap and wash clothes by hand, rinse them, and then hang them up on a line. That was part of their chores, along with picking cotton, beans, and berries out there in the field, in the farmland. Yeah, back south, down in Louisiana. Yep. Chickens out here. These are new chickens that they just got. Got some contumery growing out here. But I did not know that this contumery is cocoa yams. At the bottom, the root of the contumery is cocoa yam. And they use that to make fufu with too. You know? Tastes so good. And contumery is my favorite greens here in Ghana. Yes. They taste so good when they are prepared right. Last year, this whole area was full of contumery. They had the banana trees, the plantain trees, and Some of them they done took down and finna replant again. You see the new ones growing up over there. Way over there, you see the new trees growing up, sprouting up. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just in that area alone, 8 trees growing up. And they got some more trees over here on the side of the house. Another container for water storage. Getting their items together to take out to the marketplace to sell. Guys out here to the front. Yeah, we have some cocoa trees, coconut trees, banana trees, plantain trees growing out here. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trees that you can eat from that's growing out here in the front yard. See the pile of dirt right there that they're using to build a wall with. Man, I tell you, the rain get treacherous out here. You see how it do the roads. To the earth when it rains so heavy. The water is powerful. I'm strolling through the village now, you guys. Early this morning here in Ghana, West Africa. Again, I hope all is well with everyone. Yeah. See some of the little baby goats right there, and the chicken, and that's a full-grown goat right there. Yep, we're up here in the mountains. And down that way is the river, the stream of river waters flowing, and you can hear it sometime really well after we have a good rain. And it sounds so good. Very soothing and relaxing. Yeah. So this is my village settlement right here in the eastern region of Ghana. Look how the rain has opened up the earth. That water is powerful, you guys. see how the rain has opened up the earth right there. Yes. And you see we have some sandbags down here to kind of, you know, slow down to the erosion when it rains so heavy. Yep. To put the sandbags down to slow up the erosion of the rain, of the earth when it rains so hard. Yes, the rainwater opens up the earth, you guys. Akwaaba, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate it very much. And I hope all is well with everyone. Absolutely. This is an early morning here in Ghana, West Africa. This is wash day. I'm getting my clothes washed, rinsed, and dried. I just love filming the mountains. It's so beautiful. But this is my life here in Ghana, you guys. See some firewood right there, a pile of wood, tree sticks that's bundled together. Look like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bundles right there that belongs to somebody, that they use that to, you know, heat their food, cook their food, heat up water, you know, make hot water with, and not only hot water, but again to cook their food. They go to the bush, the forest, and get their wood so they can cook with it. Boil water and stuff like that. Okay, you guys. I'm going to cut this video